so let's start and I'll show you how to use this tool. So I like it a lot. I use it for plumbing usually, or for small little things. But if you want to use it for wood, carpentry or anything like that, you can use it as well. So at least I'm going to show you how I use it. So here I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see the model and serial number. Save it just in case someone steals your tools. The cops, they are going to be able to find it in theory. Okay, so the model is a PSD101, 18 volts, almost like 2000 feet per minute, and that's it. So very easy. I'll show you how to use it just in case. So basically this tool, again, at least like I use it for plumbing, maybe something, some screws or pipes or those type of things, but you can use it for almost anything. So I'll show you. If you want to remove the battery, all you have to push is here, this button here, push it, take it out, and that's it. So in this case it's more a primitive battery. It doesn't have the gauge, like the other batteries, so you cannot tell if it is full or not. Otherwise, get the better battery. So here we have the speed. If you want to change the speed, you do it from here. So here you have the trigger, as you can see. Alright, so if you want to make it work 24/7, all you have to do is push the trigger and push this button here. There we go, you see? It's working by itself. Once you push the trigger, that's it. It will stop working. So if you want to remove the belt, all you have to do is push this forward, and then once it's forward, you have to take it out and put the new one back in. So at least in this case, I don't see an arrow, but usually it has one way to install it. If you install it backwards, let's say that instead of like this, you install it like that, or I don't know, the other way around or something like that, it will not work properly. So and you're going to be able to tell right away. I'm going to put it like the way it was, because this is going to start moving on the side. There we go. You see it's straight, so that is good. But if you put it the other way around, it will be crooked and it will start messing up your tool. So, and here you have the other knob that you see here. This is to make it to move it back and forth, I think, a little bit, if you want to make it a little bit more tense or tight. And that's it. So that is how you use it. Now I'm going to show you. For instance, here I have this pipe. You see, you can clean it, and that is how why I bought it, and it's like useful to me. Sometimes I don't want to use the cloth sand or the sandpaper, like this. Sometimes it's faster. Sometimes maybe in a little bit, just in a tiny place, you need maybe to clean it, and that's it. So that is how it works. So again, if you need tools or electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, if you want to learn more, go to the playlist and you will see all my classes about tools and everything else. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.